This is Robert at Guzzi Fabrication. We have just upgraded our shop at a new location. Hey, let me give you a tour. Okay, this is the reception area. And this is our accreditation that is on display. All right, now let's get into the shop. We are a classic car and motorcycle restoration shop. Trick tools, check them out. Really high quality tools. These are our fireball squares. If you haven't seen those, Google it or YouTube it. Super cool. I like DeWalt. And I do a lot of metal fabrication, aluminum work. This is a bomber seat. Well, half of it anyway. I did some work too. Now these are motorcycle gas tank tops. And I need to build the rest of the gas tank. And I've got a little fixture table. Like I said, we do motorcycles, classic motorcycles, modified motorcycles. And a few of our tools and equipment here. Currently in the shop we have a 1962 Impala. It's going to need extensive rust repair. I just did the door rust repair video on that. Check it out. And you can also find us on Facebook. I also have a web page, GuzziFabrication.com, as well as our YouTube channel. I think I'm up to about 79, 80 videos. Go check that out and subscribe, man. Hit that subscribe button, help us out. Follow us along on all of our builds. We do it yourself. We video almost everything we do in the shop. And then we just do walk around videos of vehicles that are in the shop. A lot of really cool stuff passes through. '68 Charger in the wings. Now this is a '68 Charger also, and it's a current project. You can check out the complete build to this point on YouTube. We pretty much cut the entire rear half of the car off, and we installed floor pans. Our Quincy compressor. That's one of the quietest compressors I've ever been around. hole punch. All right, into the last area. And like I just mentioned, we did move, and this room is kind of the catch-all. There's a lot of stuff piled in here. I'm going to be thinning all of this out so I can create another work area. Right now it's just storage, and I'm going to have to figure out something to do with this door, but that'll happen in time. And if you would like to know all of our shop's capabilities, check out our YouTube channel. And hey, thank you for letting me walk you through our new shop.